Hey guys, just a quick video showing some of the exterior changes that were done to the Black Widow. Hope you enjoyed as much as I did. So here's a look at the Black Widow, what it looked like when it first arrived. First I started off with painting the intake, the tubular intake. Now we're moving on to the Mustang Emblem as well as the 5.0 emblem. As you can remember, they were both chrome, as you can see here, but now they're going to be changed to black. It's going to give it more of a sinister, murdered out look, because I truly love the all blacked out look. And so here we're going to take the red Mustang stickers off of the body panel here. And so what's happening is you have to use a heat gun to heat them up to make the glue release the plastic so we can peel it off. So it was kind of a job, but we got it done. As mentioned before, we used a heat gun as well as some glue gun and a little elbow grease, and that got it off. And the same thing here, we're using a heat gun to heat up the chrome 5.0 emblem to be able to peel it off. And as you can see here, when we tried to use the string or a fishing line, one was too thin.
It's not gonna work. Need some stronger line.
And then one was too thick. And then one was too harsh, and it wound up scratching the paint a little bit. But eventually we got it off. We started just using a pop tool, actually a scraper if you will, a plastic tool and the heat gun. And as you can tell, it just kind of pried it right off. And then we used glue gun and a glue remover to actually get the rest off, along with some serious elbow grease as well. This is 1.5" masking tape. So as I learned from the Infamous project, is that you take the tape, put it in the very corner right here and run it up like this, and then take your next piece and put it right on the edge of this molding. And you place your badge right in the corner where the tape meets, and that should give you almost perfect position. Well, folks, that was the final look at those changes. So would you guys do anything differently? Would you change anything? If so, let me know in the comments. I love the feedback and I will try to respond as soon as I can. Also, really quickly, I wanted to show you guys a tool that I found helpful. I've been using music from spaces in between in my YouTube video. I know some of my viewers are YouTubers and editors themselves. My video editor has found this to be really helpful. So I'm just going to show you how my editor uses this in our videos. Spaces in between productions have made many great songs that you can use, and they even have music stems. And music stems are amazing. It allows you to, for example, only hear the drums, the bass, the main guitar, and so on of a certain song. As you see here, my video editor logged in, found the music stems, and downloaded the stems for the song Catch the Wind. This has the guitars, guitar lead, bass, and drums. So my editor adds the music to the video. So here's the original song. Here's the different instruments isolated from the song. Spaces in between productions already makes great music, but having the option to download the music stems honestly just makes editing so much better. I mean, you're able to get creative with it, and you can even make multiple versions of one song and use it throughout your video. So my editor just messes around and changes when different instruments come in. She wanted the bass to be more prominent in the beginning, so that was changed. Hear what the song sounded like originally. And here's how it sounds after messing around with the stems. So this is a great way to really make the song your own. And here again, my editor does the same thing with the song Something to Say. She mutes some instruments, moves some around. Here's what the song sounded like originally. And here's how it sounds after messing around with the stems. So this is just how my editor has made use of our Spaces in Between subscription. And you guys can use my code OSG Music Discount for 15% off your subscription. The link to their website and the discount code will also be written in the bio. Spaces in Between has a lot of great music, and they even offer to make custom songs for a unique project that you might have. So definitely check them out, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for all your support. Catch you guys next time.